Hi, I'm Heidi Rader here in the Alaska Garden. I'm with UAF Cooperative Extension Service and Tanana Chiefs Conference, and I'll be talking all about growing vegetables, flowers, and berries in your garden and farm. So we're here at the Georgeson Botanical Garden here in Fairbanks, and this is part of the children's garden here. You can see there's several raised beds and a nice playhouse, and of course part of making gardening fun for kids is having some play features. So anything like a playhouse or anything that's fun like a fairy garden is a really good thing to do. So we'll just come look inside the garden here. Got some purple basil and some squash, some kale, nasturtiums. Good things to grow with kids are things they can eat right out of the garden, things that grow fast so they can watch how they grow. Maybe different colors like purple basil is kind of fun to do. And so just think about easy things to grow and things that grow fast. And studies have shown that when kids are actually growing vegetables, they tend to want to eat them more. So even things like kale, which are very healthy, you can make into kale chips. Put a little olive oil and salt on them and bake it in the oven at 300 degrees for about 10 to 15 minutes, and that's a really easy way to get kids to eat their vegetables. So here is, in this raised bed, we've got lacinato kale, tomatoes, some winter squash here, marigolds, onions, all really easy things to grow. These are going to turn into giant cabbages. OS Cross is the variety, and of course that's a really fun thing for kids to see as well. So if you're going to garden with your kids, just try to make it fun, keep it pretty simple and easy, and just go for it.